we have two buttons here that you can press.
It's a default.
Here on the pilot seat. Where's your pilot?
What
There's
is
a default that has aim.
my
Okay,
pilot?
someone's eating your pilot
My
and your passenger.
Hello everyone! Welcome for each channel. Today we'll box and play with this surplus suit.
With this what?
I don't know. This is a little people travel airplane thingy.
Thingy.
Okay.
Okay, so we are going to open this Fisher-Price Little People Travel Together airplane. So, what's at the back, Ate?
It says traveling in this airplane is even more fun when friends come along.
Okay, so let's open it.
Let's open it. Wait, need scissors.
It shows my lucky star.
Scissors.
That's
We're
right.
trying to make a video.
Should I take a legendary heavy?
Be careful with the scissor, Ate.
Huh?
I took it.
This scope revolver is so loud.
Oh my gosh.
Revolver. I got cornered by the buckle in my feet and my bag is put away. It's time to fly. Up we go!
Yay, we got the people. Hey, pull. Hey, give me. Ina. Look, I need help.
What? Okay, so you let Aman help.
There's a person here. I'm buckled in my feet. Time to fly.
Uh-oh, she wants the
What
toy.
dinosaur?
I got it.
Dinosaur.
She wants the airplane.
Oh, you like Daddy. Remember? I already got it. Oh my gosh.
Dude, there's people in salty.
We're my
I see
daddies.
this. Yeah, I'm going to salty.
What was that thing? What did you put there? What is that?
There's a default.
That's a lake. I don't know.
Dude, should I troll
How
him?
can it work?
Of course it will not fly.
Plus, we need.
That won't fly.
You got I'm buckled in my feet and my bag is
Open
put
it.
away.
Oh no, the door.
Time to fly.
Okay.
Up we go!
We have two
This guy's
buttons here that you can press.
It's a default.
Here on the pilot seat. Where's your pilot?
What
There's
is
a default that has aim.
my
Okay,
pilot?
someone's eating your pilot
My
and your passenger. So you put your pilot inside.
Thank you for flying Little People
This
Airlines.
person's
Okay,
not
so when you press down the pilot, it's gonna make a sound.
traveling with you is a great. My bags are packed.
And also this red button here.
Boom! Time to fly. Boom! Oh, so excited. We'll travel that far and home together.
Your passenger is facing at the back. It should be facing in front. Just put your passenger back.
And my bag is put away. It's time to fly.
Ooh, it's time to fly. Let's press your pilot. Ooh,
not going.
it's not going. What do you expect? It's gonna run on its own?
It needs a battery.
You think so?
That's how it's done.
No, it doesn't need a battery. It's just that it's not going anywhere.
9!
Okay, let's press again
Yes.
Please enjoy some snacks while we fly.
while we fly. Okay, so the girl will make any sound. Just this red button
Wow!
and the pilot.
Together. Hi, Daddy.
Nice toy you got there, Emman. Like
The
it?
second
Yes,
form
yes.
is amazing, at least. The second
How
form
can it go?
is grappling with
Bye.
Dude, I just got the solid gold skin.
Okay, wait, so
It's the
Bye.
gold skin.
Bye.